Hello, welcome to another Basic Chinese, and today's is lesson 74. But before we start, let's review first what we learned from last lesson. We have 诚实、说谎、蹲、举手、住、相信、没、他。If you guys have any questions, you can watch lesson 73 and also the quiz session again. We have 等、等、等、双、双、双。等 is wait and 双 is bear. Let's read together. 等、等、等。双双双 We have another vocabs here. 单单单单身单身单身 单 is odd. 单身 is single. Let's read together. 单单单单身单身单身 Let's move on to the next slide. 玫瑰玫瑰玫瑰废柴废柴废柴 The meaning of 玫瑰 is rose and 废柴 is loser. And let's read together. 玫瑰玫瑰玫瑰废柴废柴废柴 Another words here. 会会会不会不会不会会 is can and 不会 is cannot. So let's read together. 会会会不会不会不会 And thank you so much guys for watching my video, and please stay tuned for another new videos, and new videos are uploaded every day. If you guys still a little bit confused or anything, you can keep practicing. I'll see you guys on our next lesson.